Done. Yes, ma'am. Please. So, what is the tab name, please? I also. Yes, yeah, please. So, friends, here to start with, the topic name is inverse trigonometric functions. Inverse trigonometric functions. Short form on the ITF. Okay? ITF. Inverse trigonometric functions. Friends, before that, these are the trigonometric functions and these are the inverse trigonometric functions. I just write down them. Trigonometric functions and inverse trigonometric functions. And I will also start writing, I will write the function here. I will write the domain and range. Domain and range. Okay, let me start straight away. The table is ரொம்ப முக்கியம், so I am trying to write the table without just writing. I will just explain and write it. Okay, here also domain and range. To domain and range. But let me tell you, yes, what is a trigonometric function and what is inverse trigonometric functions. Friends, here. This is called y equal to sin theta under the trigonometric function, my dear. Able to see, dear? Able to see, ma? Please, all of you able to see? Is it clear or we need to write? I need to long bigger.
It's clear, sir.
Very good. For y equal to sin theta, now the coordinates are theta and sin theta, my dear. That means what? On x-axis, you will be taking theta. On y-axis, you will be taking sin theta. Any point in the quadrants, any point in the plane will be in this form, theta, comma, sin theta. Yes. Let me. I hope you are able to follow me, right? Any point in the plane is of this form here. Let me take A here. A has to be. Mobile killer will God. Right. Okay. Done. So it will be like this one. That means it's the theta versus sin theta, my dears. Theta versus sin theta. Rather x comma y. Yes or no? Because x coordinate and y coordinate, my dears. Please, please listen this point. Please listen this point. Friends, in the x coordinate under the domain, please x coordinate under the domain, y coordinate under the range, my dears. Range. Just follow this, okay? Enough. The x coordinate is called, the abscissa is called domain, and the ordinate is called range, my dears. That means what? Y under the range mark, theta under the domain part, please. That's it. Who is y? Y is called sin theta mark. So this is y, this is x. Friends, Purida, x coordinate is called domain, and y coordinate is called range. You please tell me, with your knowledge, what will be the range of sin theta? Anybody, ma, please. What will be the range of sin theta? Why is sin theta our range and our range? Anybody? Please tell free answer, ma. நீங்க டேபிள் சர்ச் பண்ணுங்க ரேஞ்ச் வேணும்னா நீங்க டேபிள் பார்த்துக்கோங்க என்ன டேபிள் சொல்றது பாருங்க what the table tells you take any value for sin theta any value for theta. Okay, theta is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree, 180 degree, 210 degree, 235 degree, 215 degree, like that. 225 degree. Like that, you go 360 degree, whatever. Friends, here sin theta now. Sin of theta. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. 1. Sin 120. Can anybody tell me sin 120? Second quadrant, positive.
0, sir.
Yes, ma? What is sin 120 value, yes? Root 3 by 2 power. 150? 1 by 2 power. Second quadrant. Sin 180, 0. Sin 210, 180 plus 30 ma, negative ma. 225 na 180 plus 45 ma, third quadrant, negative ma. 360 is 0. Now, one more thing ma. So, one more thing. What is that? 270 I forgot. Okay. Sin 270, nadulo undu or 270 போடலாம். 270 க்கு வந்து -1 மா. 90 க்கு வந்து 1, 270 க்கு வந்து -1 பார்ப்போம். So you tell me dears, what do you mean by a range first? Please tell me this. What do you mean by a range? Anybody, please. What do you understand by range? Please tell me. Range. See, they say that the missile range, okay, the missile range is 0 to 500 kilometers, or 100 to 500 kilometers, or 50 to 500. What do you mean by that 50 kilometer? The range is 50 kilometer to 1000 kilometer. Means what? What does it mean? It can hit the target from 50 kilometer to any distance up to 1000 kilometer. That's called range. Here, what is the range? Please don't irritate me, answer it. What is the range of sin theta? Minimum and maximum. Range means what? நீங்க வாயை திறக்க மாட்டீங்க. திருப்பி எல்லாரும் ஜாயின் பண்ண நீங்க ஒரே மாதிரி ஆயிருப்பீங்க நீங்க. Range. Range means what? For minimum and maximum. Yes. Of sin theta. Range of sin theta, for anything, range means what? Maximum and minimum and maximum. Yes. What is the minimum value in this map, please?
-1.
-1. What is the maximum value?
1, sir.
That's all, yes. That is called range. That is called range. Okay? And what will be the domain, purpose? What will be the domain? What do we understand by a domain first? Okay, let me check. Let me tell you that. 90 க்கு வந்து 1 வந்துங்க. 90 க்கு வந்து 1 வருது. அதே நீங்க நெகட்டிவ் வேல்யூஸ் போவோம். -30, -45, -60, -90 degree. Come on, tell me. What is sin -90? -1. Minus root 3 by 2. In the range, it happens. Put -1 in the sin theta. -1, y equal to -1. Range means what, ma? Y values, ma. Range means what? Y belongs to -1 to 1. That means what? One list value is -1. Sin theta is -1. Then theta is what? -π/2. Yes or no? Y is sin theta. Put maximum 1. Sin theta is 1. What is theta for? For what value of theta it become 1? π/2. So this is the values of theta are called domain. Note down this one. Y equal to sin theta. Theta values are domain. Theta values are domain, and y values are sin theta values are range. Okay, right. This one, please note down this one. So therefore, range is minimum maximum. Domain is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 எழுதுவாங்க. சில people வந்து they will write entire thing because the same values will be there. நீங்க திருப்பி பாருங்க இப்ப. You can take values here completely. You will be getting the same values here. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 0 எல்லாமே repeat ஆயிட்டே போயிடும். Some people write it R ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. R means what? Full spectrum minus infinity angle to plus infinity angle ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. But there is no need. எதுக்குன்னா இந்த minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 உள்ள எந்தெந்த values வருமோ yes. This is called minus pi by 2. This is called pi by 2. In the minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, the values வருமோ same values will be repeating everywhere. Therefore, there is no need to tell or full real numbers. Full spectrum of angles ma full la solala end angle venalum nama solala. So domain only. But no need. So conventionally we say that the least value, the least way to represent the domain is this one. Purida, yes, are you able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Take this one, then I will complete this table now, please. Trigonometry table should be on your fingertips, my dears. Trigonometry table should be on your fingertips. Are you ready with trigonometry table? Do one thing. All of you kindly open your videos. All boys and girls. எத்தனை பேர் இருக்காங்க? 6 பேர் இருக்காங்க. மமதி, அவந்திகா, ஹரிணி, ஸ்ரீ பவித்ரா, ஹரிகிருஷ்ணா, அக்ஷயா. Okay. My dears, all of you open your videos and keep it. I'll ask the questions on trigonometric table. Come on. Please, all of you open it, please. Kindly open it and sit. Let me see your answering, please. Let us not hide it. Come on. All of you open your videos and sit. I will ask the questions. Get ready. Fast. Why are you not doing it? Akshaya, Harikrishna, Pavitra, Sigrama, I don't have time, please. You can't simply waste time like this. Yarma, forgot. Peru, Mamati, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Avantika, yes, ma. Harini, yeah, this one is Pavitra, okay? Pavitra, very good. Harini, yeah. Harikrishna, Akshaya, all of you, one command pogadavungalku. You can't follow one command, yes? Yeah. Okay, this is Harini. Okay, good. Harikrishna, Akshaya, yes. Come on, I'll ask the question, dears. All of you get ready, ma, please. What is the value of sin 30? All of you with one voice you should answer. Yes. What is sin 30, ma, please?
1 by 2, sir. 1 by 2, sir.
Great. 1 by 2. Sin 45. All of you should answer.
1 by root 2, sir. 1 by root 2, sir.
Sin 90.
1, sir.
1. All of you should answer, please. Yes. Okay. Cos 30. Rapid fire. Cos 30.
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
Cos 60.
1 by 3.
1 by 2, sir.
1 by 2. Cos 90.
0.
0. Cos tan 90.
Not defined.
Not defined. Cot 90. Cot 90.
0, sir.
0.
0. Good answer. 0. Good answer. Tan 30.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
Not 30.
Root 3.
Tan 60.
Root 3.
Secant 60.
2.
2. Secant 45.
2 by root 3.
Hey, secant 45.
Root 2, sir.
Yeah, root 2. Cosecant 45. Come on, fast, yes, fast. Cosecant 45.
Root 2, sir.
Root 2.
Root 2. Wonderful. Secant 0.
Not defined.
No.
Zero, sir.
1, sir.
No. 1. Secant 0 is 1, yes. Secant 0 is 1. Array, what is the minimum value of, what is the minimum positive value of secant theta? This is where the dangerous steps come in place. We know the table, but we don't think in this dimension now, please. What is the minimum positive value of secant theta? You said root 2, right? 2 you said, root 2 you said, that's the minimum value is 1, my dear. Secant theta or range பார்த்தா உங்களுக்கு அழகா திருப்பி இதெல்லாம் நம்ம இந்த values எல்லாம் கையில வச்சிட்டு we should manage it. We should write the domain and range of all trigonometric functions first. Then we get the inverse trigonometric function of range and domain. We can write more. So you need to be thorough through your tables, trigonometry tables, my dears. Not only that, okay. All silver teacups refers to what, dears? All silver teacups refers to what? The sign convention of trigonometric ratios is governed by all silver teacups. That means in the first quadrant, all are positive. In the second quadrant, who are all positive? Please say it.
Sine,
Sine and cosecant.
Sine and cosec. Brilliant, ma. Very good. Third quadrant.
Tan and cot.
Brilliant. Fourth quadrant.
Cos and secant.
Excellent. Each pair of trigonometric ratios, say tan and cot, each one, there is no bias, ma. There is no bias. You take a sign, it is positive in 2 quadrants and negative in 2 quadrants. What a balance it is made, yes, ma. What a balance. Right? You take any cos. If I take sine, it is positive in first and second quadrant. But we like it sine. Why? Because it is most of the time we discuss only first and second quadrants. So sine doesn't create any trouble for us. Cos, yes. Cos, tell me, in which quadrants cos is positive? Yes.
first and fourth.
Brilliant answer. Stop it for pona wrong agatum, but think well, okay, please. Yes. Secant is positive in which 2 quadrants?
First and fourth, sir.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant. What about tan, ma? Tan?
First and third,
First
sir.
and third, sir.
First and third, sir.
Brilliant, ma. First and third quadrants. Great. Great. Now, all of you aware of this? These things, ma? Sin 90 plus theta or pi by 2, right? What is pi by 2 stands for? Okay, pi by 2 90 then. Yes, ma. Please tell me. This is one aspect, ma. Second is sin pi plus theta, cos pi plus theta, tan pi plus theta. What are these values, ma? Please tell me. First one. Avantika, what is the value for this, ma? Sin pi by 2.
Cos theta. Cos theta, sir.
Cos theta. Brilliant, yeah. Second one, Mamatri, what is this mark? Cos pi by 2 plus theta.
Sin theta, sir.
Check it properly. Harini V.
Minus sin theta, sir.
Brilliant ma. Minus sin theta. My dear Mamatri, cos வந்து sin ma. Pi by 2 வந்து for pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, change of trigonometric ratio will happen. That's sin cos sin. The complement will come. Sin complement is cos. Okay. Tan complement is what? Cot theta. But this pi by 2 plus theta is in which quadrant, ma? Second quadrant. Second may sin is positive, cos is negative, tan is negative. This is what all these things should fire. Yes. Next one, Akshaya. You are very quiet, my dear. Akshaya, listen here. Tell me the answer for this mark. Sin pi by 2, pi plus theta, ma, please. What is the answer for this, dear?
Minus sin theta.
Minus sin theta, brilliant answer. What is the reason, my dear? Tell me.
Sir, pi plus theta is in third quadrant. Third quadrant sin negative.
And for pi and 2 pi, no change of trigonometric ratio, right?
Yes.
No change of ratio. Here, change of trigonometric ratio. For pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, change of trigonometric ratio. Pi by 2, no doubt mind. Secret note panga. Pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2, change of trigonometric ratio. No change of trigonometric ratio. No change of trigonometric ratio. Yes. Hari Krishna, what is cos of pi plus theta, dear? Hari Krishna, Pavitra, what is cos of pi plus theta, ma, please?
Minus sin cos theta, sir.
Minus cos theta. Brilliant, dear. Brilliant. Innor Trayarma. Pavitra, tan pi plus theta, my dear. What is tan pi plus theta, pa? Hey, don't delay, don't waste time. You are wasting the class time, ma, please. Tan of pi plus theta, what is your answer? So first you say no change, right? Tan theta. Which quadrant am this? Say all of you say it. Third quadrant, tan is positive. Therefore, it's a tan theta, please. Okay? Please take it down. Please take it down here. So in this background, ma, idella namakka kaiyila irukkanumpa. Illa, neenga edhukku sir neenga inverse trigonometry mariyada teach panni pogalame. Idella edhukku sir engaloda. Please, why are you taking out sucking our blood and keta? Neenga na sollumbodhu ungalku ariyum, please. You understand it. Why I am telling all these things? You will never understand this until I go for inverse trigonometric functions. Everything is mapped. Everything is mapped. Complementary angles, identities, reciprocal pairs, complementary pairs, reciprocal pairs, table, everything without trigonometry. You can't do a single thing in inverse trigonometric functions. That's why I'm just taking up all these things, please. Okay. Anyway, I come to now the table. I will try to complete now. Let us try one by one, please. Tell me. You keep remember, ma. If you want, see. And the sin theta over range. What is the sin theta over range, ma? I told you already. What is sin theta over range?
-1,
-1, is inclusive or exclusive, ma?
inclusive.
Wonderful. That is a square bracket, ma. Inclusive or a square bracket. How do you write exclusive? This one, exclusive bracket. Okay, great. What about the domain, please? Sri Pavitra, what is the domain of sin theta, please?
Minus pi by 2, comma pi by 2.
Are they inclusive or exclusive?
Inclusive.
Inclusive. This inclusive na? This inclusive da. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Sin minus pi by 2 is minus 1. That's it. My dear friends. My dear friends. Inverse trigonometric function. If y equal to sin theta, my dears, if y is sin theta, this is called trigonometric function, my dears. Okay? Theta versus y or theta versus sin theta. Okay? Then what is my theta now? Theta is called sin inverse y, dears. Sin inverse y. Neenga paathirupinga inverse functions aniti. Okay? Functions teach பண்ணும்போது inverse functions நம்ம teach பண்ணிட்டோம். Okay? So, and the inverse function, this is called ITF, my dears. What do you mean by ITF, ma? What do you mean by ITF? One of you can open your mouth.
Inverse
trigonometric functions.
Inverse trigonometric functions, my dear. Friends, once you know trigonometric functions, inverse trigonometric function just it is a cut and paste, my dears. Friends, here this is called domain. Hey, what is this? Y is called what? My trigonometric function level, dears. What is this y is called, Mamati? Tell me here. What is this y is called and what is this theta is called? Seekrama yanku 1 second la answer venum, please. Y is called what? Theta is called what? Harini?
Y is range, sir. Theta is value of domain.
Domain. That's it. Domain mark. Theta is values of theta are called domain and the values of the y are called range. Range. Okay. Wonderful. Friends, now what is here? Theta is called what now here?
Range.
And y? Range. Theta is called range and y is called domain. Yes. So theta is called domain, range. Sorry, range. Theta is called range and y is called theta and y is called domain. Yes, that's all, my paniga. In the domain, come on, write it here, ma. Theta equal to sin inverse y. That is the inverse trigonometric function, my dears. Are you able to get it? Yeah. What is this domain now? Please tell me. What the domain is? So, if you understand this, you are going to get it. Please tell me what is the domain of inverse trigonometric functions. Seekrama, badal solunga, please. What is the domain of inverse trigonometric function? What is y? The range becomes
Minus
domain.
1, comma 1.
What is the range?
Minus pi by 2, comma pi by 2.
That's all. So you need not put any effort for inverse trigonometric functions. Array, buy one get one free. You buy trigonometry, you get inverse trigonometry free or free. Come on, what a mathematics formula. How beautiful one, please. Come on. Or you need not make any effort, right? Yes. This is number one. Yes. Number two. Y equal to cos theta. Yes, please. What is the range of cos theta, please? I told you that the app name is called GeoGebra. Please take this app name. And you go there in the app, you download it and write simply y equal to sin theta or sin x. X axis, y axis. Okay? Or chimma y equal to sin theta, y equal to sin x type. Your graph, beautiful graph. Physics law on the AC circuits teach pandirupanga. Okay? So if you go, this is called +1, this is called -1. In the side one play. அதே மாதிரி நீங்க y equal to cos theta if you take it, how do you get it, please? You get it like this. Cos 0 is 1. Wow, look at this. Shifting ma, just shift ma this. கொஞ்சம் shift ஆயிடுச்சு பாருங்க. இப்படி கொஞ்சம் shift பண்ணுங்க, இது கொஞ்சம் shift பண்ணுங்க, இப்படி shift பண்ணுங்க. நான் இது வந்து இங்க வரும். பிசிக்ஸ்ல வந்து நீங்க ஏசி சர்க்யூட்ஸ்ல வந்து லாகிங் லீடிங்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. phase lagging and phase leading இருக்கு. ஓகே, the difference is 90 degree மாதிரி. 90 degree lagging. யார் lagging? cos is lagging மா. sin is leading by 90 degree. பாருங்க, sin 90 is 1, cos 0 is 1. இந்த 0 இந்த ஒரு வரும். So sin is okay, leading lagging என்னது பார்க்கலாம். Okay friends, now you tell me what is the range of cos theta ma, please?
-1, sir.
-1, excellent ma, please. What about the domain of cos theta, dears? Anybody? Come on. Come on, domain. Domain means what? Theta values ma. When cos theta is 1, what is theta, dears? 0. Okay, 0. -1 is cos theta. These are the y values ma. Y value. Put 1 first. Y is 1. Cos theta is 1. For what value of theta it become 1 ma? Theta equal to 0. Cos 0 equal to 1. Correct? Akshaya, tell me now. Cos theta is -1. What is theta, dear?
Pi, sir.
Pi, sir.
Brilliant answer. Pi.
Pi.
That's all. Exactly. 0 to pi. 0, pi. Inclusive, ma. Inclusive. Aha. Range same. Heights are same. Amplitudes are same. Swing is same. Swing is same from the x-axis. இப்படி 1 மேல போகுது, 1 கீழ வருதுமா. Swing is plus or minus 1. Amplitude is 1. Okay, that's how we say this range. You understand ma, how we are getting the domain, dears?
Yes.
Y is cos theta. Y is cos theta. இப்ப நீங்க y பதிலு 1 போடுங்க. 1 போட்டா cos theta is 1, theta is 0. அதே மாதிரி y is -1 போடுங்க. You get theta equal to 5. Excellent, please. Friends, very nice. Very nice. நீங்க இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் we will do further. We will investigate this further. Sri Pavitra, what is the function here, my inverse trigonometric function? Swarupa, please. Theta equal to what, ma?
Cos inverse y.
Great answer. What about the domain of inverse function?
-1, 1.
Brilliant. What about the range of cos inverse y?
0, pi.
Brilliant. I hope you all understood. Great answer. Excellent. Okay. Let's move on to y is tan theta. Yes, y is tan theta. You go to GeoGebra and type this one, you get a brilliant graph, ma. Even from the table, what is tan 90, pa?
Not defined.
Not defined. That's how you get it, ma. Not defined means what? At 90, if you see tan 60 is √3. Tan 75, closely 2. Tan 78, 3. Tan 79, tan 80, 5. Tan 85, 10. Tan 86, 15. Tan 87, 100. Tan 88, 200. Tan 88.5, 1000. You can't catch. When you reach 90, you can't reach 90. Before you reach 90, it won't be defined. Such a big value, you get it now. See this. This is how it will be now. This is 90 now. This is 90. At 90, it won't touch because it's not defined. You can't find the value of it. Similarly, at 90, it's not defined. Now it is 180, 0. Again, it will go like this. See this graph, how beautiful it is. How nice it is. இப்போ வரும் இந்த மாதிரி ஷேப்ஸ் வரும். This is a tan theta ஓட இதுப்பா. This is theta and this is called tan theta, okay, or y. Friends, if you, this is the y equal to tan theta ஓட graph ds, okay. Now இது வந்து நீங்க turn பண்ணுங்க, okay. 180 degree நீங்க turn பண்ணுங்க, what will happen பார்க்கலாம். 180 இல்ல 90 degree turn பண்ணுங்க போதும். Okay, 90 degree turn பண்ணா இது இப்படி வரும் பாவதான். Okay, இது ரிவர்ஸ் பாருங்க, இங்க theta போடுங்க, இங்க tan theta போடுங்க, that become a y equal, sorry, theta equal to tan inverse y into வரும். Okay, right? So friends, you tell me what is the range of tan theta, please. One of you, please, dare it. Tell me what is the range of tan theta. Yes, why are you wasting time? Range means what? Tan theta maximum value is what? Infinity. Minimum value is what? Minus infinity. So that is called range of tan theta. Minus infinity. Infinity and the value only, you can't catch it. Okay? It's not a definite value. That's why we don't put under inclusion. Because its value is not fixed. What about domain? Anybody can answer my domain, please? Anyone? Hare Krishna? Are you there in the class? You are there. Anyone, ma, please take up. Akshaya, what is the domain of tan theta, dear? Avantika?
Minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, sir.
Minus pi by 2 and pi by 2. Do you include them or exclude them, pa?
Exclude them, sir.
Same thing. Inga paranga. Hare, tan follows sine. Note down. Tan follows sine. Cot follows cos. Cot follows cos. There's a good following for sine and cos. Why? Because they are the basic trigonometric ratios. Then, okay, let us move further now, please. Yes. What is the function name, Hare Krishna? Here, inverse trigonometric function here. Fast, please. Okay. Yalmadi, who will tell? Mamati, what is the domain of inverse function tan?
Minus infinity to plus infinity, sir.
Minus this one, my dears, what do you mean by minus infinity to infinity, ma? It's called full, correct? You are covering entire thing. It is also called as R, my dears. It is also called what? R. R stands for what? Real numbers. Note down this point. R stands for real numbers. Full real number field, real numbers. Set of real numbers. It is taking entire real number field, please. That is called R. Infinity to minus. R and please. R range. Range is of course different notation. Okay. Right. Style up. Okay. R. Real number field. Real number system. That means it takes entire real number system, please. What about the range of function? Swami, class la irka vara 9 mela vara Swami. Right. Right. Sir, what is the range, please? Anybody?
Minus pi by 2, pi by 2, sir.
Oh, excellent. That's all. So, is it not buy one, get one free? I told you how many times I told, okay, mathematics lo da in the feature irukama, please. Buy one, get one free. Come on. Are you making any effort from this side, for this side? No. That's why trigonometry, if you study, inverse trigonometry is bonus. Okay, then just now I told you note panikonga, sine, I mean tan follows sine, tan follows SINE sine, tan and cosec tan and cosec, because he is a reciprocal, okay, of him, and he is a sine by cos. So sine, whoever in the numerator, they follow them. Right. Next one, cosine fellow is there. Okay. Sine and cosine only, they got a good following marks. So tan opposite is what mark? Cot. Cosec, sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cosine. What is this? That's a nice geometrical piece. Minor variations, we can write the domain and range. Once you fix these two ds, you are going to get tan follows sine. Small variation. Understood, ma? Okay, do you write it? This is my own creation, just to understand better. Okay, anytime you can make your own table. Okay. It took 45 minutes. Yes, come on. Y equal to cot theta ds. Please tell me. Yeah. What is the range of it, ma? Same R, okay? R means what? Minus infinity to infinity. Here, please. Anybody, please. I said cot follows cos. Tan follows sine, but inclusive, exclusive. Inclusive, exclusive. Wonderful, wonderful. But 0 to pi. That's it. No but, get to nothing for please. Over. 0 to pi. Minus infinity to infinity, please. Edhukku sir neenga exclude pandringa pi? Enna, what sin it has made? And keta y equals to sin cos theta by y equal to cot theta. There's nothing but cos theta by sin theta. Right. What is sin pi, ma? What is sin pi? 0. It should not take pi. Because numerator denominator should not be 0. Puridappa, why we are not including?
Yes, sir.
Inga tan theta na sin by cos, ma. Cos theta, cos pi by 2 is what? 0. Adnala pi by 2 not inclusive, yes. For everything you such a reason, yes. Illana, ellame vandu confuse aayidum, please. You should avoid all confusions, yes. I am giving you one blind way how to remember, and creatively I am telling you. The other one is I am giving you the reason why. Right. So email is now you will write, correct? Yes or no? Right. So friends, next one, y equal to secant theta ds, and last one is y equal to cosec theta. I told sec follows whom ds? Cos. 0 to pi. Okay, wonderful. But what is y equal to sec theta means what? Y is 1 by cos theta. Yes or no? Cos theta should not be 0. Cos theta should not be 0. Denominator should not be 0. Do you agree, ma'am? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
What should not be theta, ma? If cos theta should not be 0 means who is governing cos theta? Theta. So what should not be theta, please? Theta should not be what?
Pi by 2.
Brilliant. Brilliant, ma. Write down in the 0 to pi lo naduvula pi by 2 irukuma, please. It is there. So we have to exclude that pi by 2 here. We have to exclude that pi by 2. It's a set, singleton set, mind. Now in the set remove of course in the set lo whatever value, that's called pi by 2. 0 to pi naduvula pi by 2 irukuma, please. And the pi by 2 it will not take, my guess. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
And if anybody tells the range of secant theta, I really award you, dears. Come on. What is the range of secant? Adhe madri, before going to that, these two are same, dears. These two are same. Can anybody tells for cosec theta what is the domain, ma, please? I'm challenging you, please. Come on. You are all very bright students. I think you can tell it, ma, please. Y equal to cosec theta our domain, so now, please. Anybody, please. Cosec theta, yes.
Minus pi by 2, comma pi by 2.
Minus pi by 2, comma pi by 2. Is it inclusive or exclusive, Mamatri?
Inclusive, sir.
No, dear, no. Hey, inga enna irukanga? Inga inclusive irukana, inga exclusive. Parma, the male inga start aayuchu. Inga rendu da inclusive ma. Next ellame exclusive, dear. Okay. Na exclusive na remove pandrom. Okay. Extremes are and is it over? No.
Minus 0, sir.
Minus 0. Great answer, ma. Great answer. Why you are telling minus 0, ma? Y equal to cosec theta, that is called 1 by sin theta. Sin theta should not be 0. So theta should not be 0. Brilliant, ma. Brilliant. Very good. Very good. Excellent. That's all, ma. Now, how do you define, how do you get the range now, please? Yes. How do you get the range? If you see the secant theta and cosec theta oda graph paakranga, please. That's why I told you, please go for app. Type y is secant theta. You would see your range and you would see your domain also. Please. Right? So friends, very, very interesting, my dear. Very, very interesting, ma. I learned the set vaanga porom pa. Rendu set. Union. Inga oru set varudhu, inga oru set varudhu. Enna we start from 1 to infinite. Wow. 1 to infinite. In the side paatha minus 1 linda infinite. Minus infinite. Oh. Purida, are you able to get it?
Yes, sir.
This is a nonsense, sir. I can't write this set and the union in the bracket, under bracket, full confusion, correct? Therefore, I can write it differently, ma. R minus 1, 1. Full real number, but 1 and minus 1, the band remove pannunga. Therefore, you will get this one. Ipdi solla. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now you know what somebody else just formula. This is called 1. This is called minus 1. Ipdi poringa, right? So edu illa, idu illa. Therefore, I take full. Full is what? R. R linda I am taking out this band between 1 and minus 1. Between minus 1 and 1 ds. Paranga. Is clear?
Yes, sir.
You tell me either write this one or this one, ma. What about this one, ma? Please come on.
R minus 1, comma 1.
Brilliant, ma. Same story, dear. Same story, dear. That's all, pa. Now you can write for inverse trigonometric function also. So today in the morning session, we were able to complete the introduction to inverse trigonometric function and their domain and range. Function as a call function, we require the domain and range, my dears. So we have completed this. And also, you understood now, okay, what is an inverse trigonometric function? It is just if function is mapped from A to B, it is called a function. Then if I map from B to A, it is called inverse function. That's it, yes. Purida? Yes or no? I hope clear. For the table is complete panama, graphs also you draw it and submit to me by evening class, yes. See, you need to write graph of trigonometric functions. Adalinda ninga domain range ninga explore pannunga. Okay? Then inverse trigonometric functions on a graph is nothing but what? Interchange the x and y axis. Katham, you will get the graphs of them. Very difficult to draw, but just the trimbi pota varumpa. Okay, right, excellent. So in the table, you need to see that Vishwarupam of this table. You have to see only by going through the graphs of it. This eppadi sir in the r minus of 1, 1 andradhu solring andradhu neenga graph paatha ungalku puriyum. Idiyo eppadi sir idai paarenga inda rendu driving ma totally inda rendu paarenga inda rendu varudhu inda rendu konja bracket change panna inda rendu varudhu same திருப்பி காப்பி பண்ணுங்க. Then you need to exclude something that you know the fact, So in the mari inga different why, what are the things coming in? Very simple. These are the two things which are repeating often with various forms. Okay, I hope I have made it clear, man. Here the domain and range, are interchangeable. Okay, now trigonometry plays a vital role here. So in the afternoon, I will try to complete the further more concepts of our inverse trigonometric functions. Now, just what you should do is, what are the complementary ratios, complementary trigonometric ratios, functions? Okay, sin theta cos theta, complementary. Tan cot. You need to keep it in mind. Further, if you want to learn about the inverse trigonometry, there is a complete mapping is there. Complete mapping. You know that sin theta is the reciprocal of cosec theta, vice versa. Same thing will happen there also. அது எப்படி என்றது நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ அது கம்ப்ளீட்டா இருக்கணும். ட்ரிக்னாமெட்ரி நம்ம கையில இருக்கணும். நான் சொன்ன முன்னாடி ஓகே, ட்ரிக்னாமெட்ரி என்றது யூ ஹேவ் டு பி கேரி கிளாஸ் வித் கேர் கேரி should be always there with you. Okay, அது வெச்சிட்டு நம்ம எங்க வேணாலும் நம்ம கொண்டு போகலாம். மேட்ரிசஸ் கொண்டு போகலாம், இது நம்ம டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் கொண்டு போகலாம், லிமிட்ஸ் கொண்டு போகலாம், எங்க வேணாலும் everywhere it is such a paramount of importance. Okay, that's what I told in the last year. Okay, right. So I think we have done it, ma. Please, we have done it. You can complete this table. You also draw the graphs. Graphs linda visualize pannunga. It will very useful for your need also. Anywhere ma graph under the ultimate what to say, there's a Vishwarupam. Okay, I can say what in our scriptures they say Vishwarupam, right? It's the ultimate form of a function oda Vishwarupam enna graph ta, correct? Ultimate, you are seeing it, right? You are seeing before your eyes. That is called Vishwarupam, correct? So you draw the graph of it, and you take the graph of it, draw the graph or see the graph and interpret the graph and understand the range and domain from the graph for each one. Why it is -1 to 1, why it is -1 another, adu konjam internalize pannunga. That will be very useful for you. This is going to play a great role for your mathematics further in life, in your academic career, whether you take a BSc math or you take BE, whatever BE another, it's not at all easy course. It's a very difficult course if you do it systematically. Okay, if you want to excel there, yesterday I heard one news. SRM has started a new campus at Amaravati. Okay, that's the AP capital. AP capital na ipo they are making 3 capitals, whatever. Amaravati SRM, they have put a university there. Okay, or campus. And the campus la 2 brothers. Okay, 2 may not be twins, maybe twins circle. Pair also I forgot. Both of them, each one of them got 50 lakh package. 50 lakh package from Google. Google company had offered them 50 lakh per annum, 4 lakhs per month, 4 lakh, more than 4 lakh per month. How many year old? 21, 22-year-old boys. Both same house, brothers, twins, same school. They studied together. They passed out together. They got job in same company. Paranga. Okay, 50 lakh package. So, my dears, I tell you, you need to have a good mathematical knowledge to succeed. Whether you are in whichever field you are, mathematics is the key subject in this. Okay. Thank you, dears. All the best. Take care. God bless you. We'll see you again today afternoon at what time? Sorry, not afternoon, noon. Okay, to 12 o'clock, dears. 12 o'clock. I'll take one more session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.